It's a warm, sunny one out here today, y'all. Feeling like spring. And the groundhog did say spring is on the way.
Did we get all of my sticks for my farm?
I think so. It's like a spring preview out here today, y'all. It's beautiful. I know it's not here to stay yet, but we're gonna enjoy it while it's here. There's a chipmunk over here in this tree. Let's look at our trees while we're out here. We'll do a little tree update. We did end up losing that one that was over there, but this one, it's almost as tall as me now. If this stuck straight up, it is, with me on this side, it is taller than me. So this one is doing wonderful. Titus planted some seeds here. He put this rock and stuff here so we would remember that this is where he planted it, but yeah, nothing has started happening there. And we did lose this tree. These two still looking pretty good over here. Oh, this one's definitely gotten bigger, I can tell. It's taller than you now, isn't it, Manny? You're still bigger than that one, huh? But it's catching up to you. Yeah.
I'm still bigger than it.
It is growing though.
These are hibernating in it.
Are they?
Yeah. I can see them.
So we only lost, well, we lost 2 trees. I'm sorry. We did lose that one other, I can't think of what the name of the tree is. We had a white one and a pink one. Dogwood. Dogwood. Took me a minute. Yes. Listen to these birds. They even sound like spring. You a Texas Longhorn? Before we know it, we'll be out here planting some stuff. I think we're gonna extend out that way just a little bit. He's collecting sticks for his fort. You got some good ones there. Hello. It's a beautiful day, everyone. Come on, Miss Turkey. Someone who will remain nameless threw this pink thing right there in the pond the other day, and I'm gonna see if I can reach it. It's stuck on like a little sand bank. This pond is not deep at all. We could just probably walk out there. I just don't want to get my boots wet, so I'm gonna see if I can reach it.
You need a fish and want to do that.
Look, I got it, I got it. Victory, got it. All right, we're back inside. I gotta come in here and do my to-do list. I just wanna stay out there though, but I gotta get some stuff done. We're gonna clean this laundry room. I need to sweep, mop, and organize these shelves a little bit. They're not terrible, but a few things have gotten out of place up there, and I can't see my cow picture. It's behind everything.
Mama, guess what animal that I'm making?
Bear.
No.
Rabbit.
No.
Lion.
No. A train. A train with a yarn in it.
The time has finally come to get the Christmas tree off the back porch. Actually, the time has passed, but we're doing it today. Still smells Christmassy. So we're gonna get the lights off. Tyler's gonna saw the bottom of it off and the limbs off the bottom. And we'll just put that in the garage in the corner to dry throughout the year. That way it'll be ready for the ornaments when Christmas arrives again. We saved the bottom of our Christmas trees to make ornaments for the next year. Eventually, the tree will just be full of all old Christmas tree ornaments. Timber! Don't you be afraid, Christmas tree. About right here. Yeah. more curtains have arrived. We have these for the bathrooms, my bathroom and the upstairs bathroom. These, how many are in these packs? They're for the bedrooms. I'm not sure why they're in kind of different, or maybe they're all the same. They're all the same, they're just in different bags. These are for the boys' bedrooms upstairs, and then, yeah, these are for the bathrooms. These are the curtain rods for the bathrooms. The curtain rods for the bedrooms, though, are not gonna be here until, I think, tomorrow. So we'll have to wait to hang them. We got the same kind of rods that we got for in here. These for the bedrooms.
What's Mama gonna cook? She gonna make up something?
Yeah, Mama, what are you gonna cook?
Mama, what are you making up, Mama?
I'm making up pizza. He's always picking on me, y'all. Why is everybody always picking?
Making up pizza tonight. Mama's making up a special kind of pizza, sweetie.
It's gonna be a normal one pepperoni and cheese and one supreme over here. Well, I don't know if you really call it supreme. It's gonna have peppers, onions.
The key to good pizza is this. I know the key. I know the key to good pizza. You gotta have a lot of sauce.
Oh, a lot of sauce, okay.
Yeah, you gotta have a lot of sauce. If you don't have a lot of sauce, you ain't gonna have a good pizza.
What you need more sauce? What Uncle Edward
It's the
said.
truth. Load her down with sauce. If you don't put enough sauce, you will not have a good pizza. Because when that thing gets in there and cooks, it dries it out. You gotta have a lot of sauce to keep that thing moist.
Put a little olive oil down on the pan here so we could easily spread out our crust. We're going for the Bigfoot style rectangle pizza. I wish I wouldn't have said that. Now I'm gonna think about Bigfoot pizza and Crystal Pepsi. I'm gonna pre-bake my crust just a little bit. It says, you know, it doesn't say you have to do that. I just like to do that. I think it turns out a little better when you pre-bake it a little. I've already got the oven preheated to 375. While we shred the cheese and chop up the onions and everything, we'll let this bake for just about 7 minutes. I almost forgot about these chicken wings. I got these to make with the pizzas. I already put them in the oven. They've been in there now for about 12 minutes. So I'm gonna let them do half the cook time and then we'll put the pizzas back in. I already got the crust out from the 7 minutes. They've cooled completely down now, but when half the cook time is up on the chicken wings, then we'll put the pizzas in. We'll go ahead and put the toppings on them real quick. I'm gonna brush some more olive oil around the edges of the crust and we'll sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder. That'll give our crust a little extra flavor. Alright, now we'll spread on the sauce. We're going to use marinara this time. Okay, this one's ready. We'll go ahead and put it in. When we get this one in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and, well, first I need to wash some dishes, then I'm going to make the cookie bars for dessert. Alright, for the cookie bars, we've got half a cup of softened butter, which it's almost kind of melted, that's fine. We're gonna put in 1 pack of sugar cookie mix. I just got the Pillsbury kind here. It is 17.5 ounces. We need 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna stir all this together until we get a soft dough, and then we're going to stir in some M&Ms. We have the Valentine's ones, pink, red, and white, and just a few white chocolate chips. We'll pour in some M&Ms. We're going to save some to press on to the top. We'll put a few of the white chocolate chips on top too. These are great, y'all. They're really soft and chewy, but they hold together really good. And I think adding that little bit of vanilla and stuff to them, it made them taste more like a homemade cookie dough. They are really good. The chicken wings, however, we didn't love those. They smelled so good while they were cooking. I was like, these are gonna be great. They weren't that great. They were just okay. But these are great.